Hey, what's up? So I was thinking today about the first legit side hustle I ever had. And this was solid. Faith and I were talking about it yesterday. And back in college, I would hustle graphing calculators for cash every semester. So I make about 50 to 70 bucks per calculator, and I want to tell you how I did it. So, easy way to clear $300-400 bucks, the first day of school every single year. So this is a way to make $300 to 400 bucks in a day. It's the way I used to do it. Check it out. So, one of the things I think about side hustles is not necessarily something that you go out and waste your time doing, but you have a lot of downtime during the day, So, as I've gotten older, I've started to economize my downtime. Like today, I went and I checked out False Idol Brewing, new brewery here in Fort Worth, and it was pretty cool. And I got to work there, and so now a lot of my downtime, I have time that I need to study. I have time that I need to do work on the computer, so I work online a lot, and so I'll go and use some of that downtime in ways that I enjoy. But I remember back in the day, I would use all that downtime. Every single time I had downtime, I'd find some way to monetize every single down second. And I think that's the important thing with side hustles. It's not that you're going out and getting another job, or you're going out and trading time, but what's the way that you meet your main goal but economize the downtime? So for example, when I was hustling calculators, when I was slinging calculators on the streets, the main goal was to finish my college degree, right? But during that time, I realized that there was a huge discrepancy between the price people paid for calculators at the beginning of the semester versus what they had to offload them for at the end of the semester. And so that's one of the important things with side hustles. One is that it supports your main goal. Like in this case, my main goal was to get my college degree, but I found a side hustle that monetized some of my downtime while I was working towards that main goal. And another thing is arbitrage, right? So how do you trade space, time, or some other factor for money? And in this case, with the calculator hustle, I was trading time for money. But sometimes you'll move, like there's people talking about furniture flipping or house flipping, so now with furniture flipping, you're trading, space. You're taking them from a not valuable space to a valuable space, or with flipping a house, you're taking it from a not valuable condition to a valuable condition, right? So there's some form of arbitrage where you're moving the product to make it more valuable. And in this case, I was moving the product over time to make it more valuable. So I think that's the important thing with the side hustle is you think about, how is this thing supporting my larger goal? But let's get down to the numbers. The numbers of the calculator hustle. So what I would do is at the end of the semester on eBay or, locally, people would sell their calculators anywhere from $15 to $35. I forget if it was TI-86 or TI-84, one of those two. Whatever graphing calculators you guys are using for college Calc 1 now, comment down below. College Trig, you had to have it. So whatever your school uses, comment down below what your school is using for graphing calculators. If you're from MSSU, bonus points, let me know. But it was either TI-84 or TI-86 calculators. I'd buy them for like 15 to 35 bucks at the end of the semester. At the beginning of the semester, everyone would show up to the first day of class thinking, I don't need a graphing calculator. I can get by with my regular calculator. But then they had to have a graphing calculator by the next class, which was like, 2 days later. And it wasn't one day Amazon shipping back there. No, my friend. You had to pay for overnight shipping if you wanted that shit the next day. So nobody was going to pay for overnight shipping on a graphing calculator. So I could sell my graphing calculators for 80 to 110 bucks. So if I had 5 calculators, you know, and I was clearing $80 on each, you're talking 400 bones the first day of the semester. So that was my original side hustle, was the graphing calculator side hustle. OG, there you go. Now you have the story. So I don't encourage going out and getting side jobs, but I do encourage finding ways to monetize the things that support your main goal. Find additional income streams, additional ways to monetize those things that you're already doing. Let me know what you think about this. Comment down below.